So you are welcome back. And in this particular tutorial, we'll be recreating this flyer design. Now if you look at this one in particular, you'll notice I just played a little. I didn't use any of those 5 template rules. Okay, the text is actually at the left side, the image was at the center, also the text was at the center. The right side. Hence the design is balanced. So let's just go straight into this one. Okay, I just hope you can hear me. So the first thing is my image. The image that I did, look at it, I forgotten I wanted to use for tutorial. So you just reduce the brightness to -30, the contrast to 15. So let's hide the rest. So the first thing will be creating a background, which is the most important thing. I'll come to this color and give it a white color. Alright, so this particular one, let's be sure this one, increase the size. Okay, you see now I just increase the size manually with my hand. I don't want it to be too big. Okay, so this is it, and this is so just be mindful of it. Don't look at where I did my own. I won't say the exact size. Okay, let me just see. No, 175, but it won't give you 175. Yours should give you about 100. For this one, it is 100 by 100. Alright, so I'll just log this. So the next thing was, so I won't lie to you, I don't know what I was thinking about when I did this design. So I just know most times I just play around things. Most times. So the next thing was this. I'll move it to the front. So I just position it. And then I'll move this onto the front. So let's just be sure it's at the center, and this one it's at that point there. So we'll just lock it, click on, tap, draw, increase the blur, increase the pen size, then tap on the screen. Now if you know by this one, now we're trying to create shadow. I'm here trying to create shadow for I'll just reduce the opacity. Okay, so I have so the next thing I just did, so that shadow is actually too much. You can either, if you don't like some parts there, you can erase it, which I'm even considering safe. Alright, so I have this one here, I have this one in place. So the next thing is my text. it's still happy. Let's just make use of Montserrat. Should make it bold. Okay. I think this time I'll just want to have my this one here. I'll make it black. By default, Pixellab doesn't give you black, so you have to select it and make it black yourself. Position it just right here. Sorry. Okay, I have this one here. Then I just come here and copy. Birthday. Alright, so I made use of the particular font I used for that birthday was sherlyn. So if you're in a master class, it will be in the resource, in the folder of this, in the font pack I sent in the master class. That is if you're not having it on your okay. I'll just leave the birthday day, then the happy. Okay, let's just leave it at that one here. So I had difficulty using, let me just lock this one and bring this one in. I had difficulty selecting which one to make use of. Should I make use of this? Then this thing is always being 15. And I don't want that to you. Alright, so the objective was just to get rid of that. So I'm just going to make it black. Alright, so I'm just position it here. Now just let me be sure it's at the front. Okay, so I'll leave this guy here, then duplicate this my birthday, then happy, sorry, Cynthia. You can just use marvelous, or maybe okay. So the next thing, I change the particular color to click on plus, just copy it from this strawberry. Now the strawberry, I applied Gaussian blur to it. Okay, so let me just move this guy. No, don't let me tamper with it. Or I can still move this guy here. No, don't worry. Don't let me move that guy there. Let me just move this guy. So we have this one here. All right, maybe then you know what, let me just delete this, then copy my Mabel 20 22. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is just change the font to medium regular. Okay, so we have okay, so now let me just cut this part. Okay, so we will just definitely come here and curve and increase the curve, but still we will come to line spacing and stretch it out a bit. I don't know the exact line spacing I made use of, but this should suffice. So the next one I was just copy it and then stretch. Sorry, let's just be sure this one is there. Now I'm thinking of something. Let me double click on this 2022 and just leave the space. This and you notice everything was all caps, so then I actually increased the spacing of this one. Okay, and the next thing was to just come here and okay, so we have that one there. So let's just get rid of this guy here now. I don't know if you can see it on my screen. So let's move this one here. Okay, let's get rid of those space. This is making it look somehow. So I think I just need to increase my spacing a bit or reduce this one. Okay, let's see. It's not giving me something that is okay. So since it's not giving me something that is okay, it doesn't look like a cycle when you combine the two of them. Okay, I think it's now looking like a cycle now. Okay, so I will just like this. So I'll just probably just copy this one, then 02 NOV. Then so we have this one. Then just click on plus and steal from this green. So just increase it, or better still, just click on it, just increase the green. No, so the one I used was actually darker, but let's just stick with black. But I'm trying to get rid of this curve and also the line spacing. So let's see the size. 62, 64. Okay, let's just leave it at 64. So we'll just come and click on the two of them, the three of them, then we'll merge. So we have this here. Now we have this here. So the next thing is just to stylize this design by adding so we have that. Oh god, I just forgot to do something. You know what, let me copy this. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Don't want to be going all over that stuff again. I think I should have just okay. So okay, let's just leave it this way. I haven't merged this stuff. Alright, so Mabel tones 3. So then the line spacing shouldn't be as curvy as this one. Okay, so then I think I'll just rotate it this way, then reduce the size, it's too big. Okay, so I think I will just click on this one here now and come to this one. Okay, I think this one looks a bit darker. Okay, it looks a bit darker, so I'll just stick with it. Maybe I'll tones 3, then copy, edit, Xerxes graphics. Then let me just see the original one. Okay, I used Oh, the Xerxes graphics was not everything was not capital letter or center keys, sentence keys rather. Still too big now because of we just have to reduce the size. I won't lie to you, when I did the design, okay, I'll tell you what I was thinking of in the class anyway. Okay, I think I want to give this my design place to breathe. Okay, so we have that. Then for this cloud, is actually of no use again. Let me bring it to the front. Then come to plus. I'll brighten it a bit. Or let me add some touch of contrast. Then this, I just position it somewhere around here. Then I reduce the opacity. Now this was actually not the original cloud I made use of, but I can't find that one. Just hold this one and just keep it here. And okay, so I just keep this and I've locked those ones. So we are done. So I'll just come here and save ultra and save to gallery. Alright, so while it's loading, let me just head to Snapseed. Click on plus, then this is the image. Then let's check our options. The options we're having. If I don't like accent to it, if you like accent to it, you can just come here and save, export, save. But I'm looking at the contrast. Okay, don't know, probably I'll just come to this and view edit. Let me click on details. No, I think the effect is not really at that details. It is more on okay, I'll just stick with this. This is the before, this is the after. Let's see, this is the before, this is the after. Now before and after. Now if your image look kind of flat on the design, maybe it's just appearing flat, all you just have to do is just come here and apply shadow. Click on plus, then just apply shadow. But I don't, on a lighter background, use less shadow. So you can just go ahead again with the process, but I'll just stick with it this way. Alright, I'll stick with this particular one. Okay, so practically that's everything for this tutorial. So we'll see in the next video.